Arkansas is in the middle of a month where they expected to carry out 8 executions over a period of 11 days. An unprecedented schedule in the modern era of capital punishment in the United States. The state set this deadline, this schedule, because they had said that their drugs were, one of their 3 drugs was going to expire at the end of the month. As a result, they scheduled executions, 2 per day, 2 happening at night on 4 different nights in this span in late April. According to the state, if they get to the end of the month, one of the 3 drugs they use for lethal injections, a sedative called midazolam, would expire. If it expires, they say they have no guarantee of getting more because there's a shortage of lethal injection drugs in the United States. With this shortage, they say that once they get into May, they have no idea when they could carry out executions at all. 2 companies filed a motion seeking to have their drugs barred from being used at all, and another company filed a lawsuit asking to have its drug returned. Arkansas has said that if they can't use that other drug, they also can't carry out the executions because they can't obtain any more. So in this case, they're fighting a number of different fronts here trying to carry them out, but what you have are chemicals made by companies that don't want them used by this. They're trying to stop that. The Washington Post obtained documents from Arkansas that show some details about these drugs that they're using. Literally all they show is the names of the drug and a handful of other bits of information. Everything else is shielded. Because Arkansas has a secrecy law that blocks them from having to reveal practically anything about the drugs that they're planning to use. The inmates on death row, as well as pharmaceutical companies, have filed motions in court seeking to delay or stop these executions. But really, we're just going to have to wait and see whether some or all of these are halted or allowed to go forward.